Bring a unique cooking experience to your kitchen with Himalayan Pink Salt cooking blocks. Cook, grill, chill, and serve your favorite foods naturally. Choose the size that fits your cooking style. Our cooking blocks come in different sizes, including options with a metal tray, plus a round cooking block. Each block is made from authentic Himalayan pink salt, with natural crystal patterns and mineral-rich texture. Every piece is carefully selected for its quality and appearance. Use your salt block for more than just cooking. Grill steak, salmon, shrimp, and vegetables, bake your favorite dishes, or chill and serve foods like cheese and fruit. Made with a thick, solid design, these cooking blocks are built for repeated use when properly heated, cooled, and cared for. And if your cooking block arrives broken or damaged during shipping, simply contact us. We'll be happy to help with a replacement. Himalayan Pink Salt cooking blocks bring natural beauty, versatile cooking, and a unique way to serve your food.